I wanted a surface to rest my coffee cup, laptop, and mouse on while in my gravity chair. It needed to be easily movable so I could get in and out of the chair. Here is a rolling cantilever desk for a gravity chair I made out of scrap wood. It consists of a 2x10 for the desk surface. Be sure to measure your laptop to make sure you have the right dimension of lumber for this surface. A 2x12 that has 4 caster wheels mounted to it. When figuring out the length, be mindful that you might have to navigate in between the legs, so you want to make sure that there's ample clearance to be able to turn it within the legs. A 2x6 that must be long enough when assembled to clear the chair arm and your body, both when upright and leaned back. This is attached to the 2x10 and 2x12 by 3 screws on both ends. And finally, 4 2x3 boards cut at 45-degree angles to further strengthen it. These may not be needed, but I just added these just in case. I have listed all the dimensions I used as a guideline/reference. Be sure to measure your chair before making this desk. I hope this video inspires projects of your own. Hope you'll have earned a like, share, or subscription. If you enjoyed this video, you may enjoy one of these videos as well. Let me know how I'm doing in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.